Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. The Jamaica Football Federation has confirmed that a member of the Reggae Boyz team has tested positive for COVID-19. TVJ Sports sources say the affected player is forward Bobby Reed. The 28-year-old returned a positive test on Wednesday and is now in isolation from the rest of the squad. Head of the Jamaican delegation, Gregory Daly, gave an update on the next step from here.
Well, what we are doing now is activating the necessary precautions. The player and his roommate were both isolated immediately. Steps are in place now to separate all the players so that they can have their own space in terms of managing what is happening. And there's a test that is scheduled for later today, and then we'll move from there as the results come in.
Reed scored Jamaica's second goal in their 2-0 victory over Suriname on Monday. This means Reed will be out of contention to play in Jamaica's second game of the tournament against Guadeloupe on Friday. Reed has scored 2 goals in 7 appearances for the Reggae Boyz.